Hadian ke jingso sat hakalek kawan hakini ki khendiat sngi namar ke jingwan thep kerteng ki kertong hapo ka DC office kawai kalong kemi ka bayo benesimenta hakrensa netainia kabalapnia de political science department undergraduate Synod College kalabut udak jingkeli bah hatu kapol election kade ka tamasa
la demo kapor bingidan kami ki brio ki bradon ya ka jingnang ka jing start la demo kapor bingidan ki brio ki bradon ya ka jing sampang hakan ka benta ningin sujiat yaki mau ki diang bat peniyang yaki ba mla awat tang ban keran hang te assembly kata kalong kejeng keli ka ba peniya perkhat bakal ademo kata ka poringi bengin yo economic khamat ki ba don chi saya kata ka jengnang kejeng tip kejeng start ban peniya ya ka kam ki ba tip ban pendri kami ki policy ki ba tip ki policy kata kalong kejeng keli bat ka baat hatu ka protection ka de ka por khawai mo kadai ka por khawai mo ka protection kaba kani ka bangai i klang sodong ba punsen ki protection ki por ka ba khawai ka por sobha ndai nga shem ye ka kam ba ka kam ka ba kentang na mantaka ka setiat ka jengi habangin haban jet bat perkhat bat pusan ki bre ki ba kom nuangi ban jet ndai ka jing khawai jing dawai nga so kam dan jemut ai ru em bat na ai on bay kita ki jing lut ha ka bede kita ki jing khawai dawai kabalai ngayat yang ini sengi siapa DC office hak apa fidam yalet file nomination kawai ke jengkeli ka bang dan hangan mal sakut ang tin marki kam ke jang abang haban net pendap sinuhu kapen keli yang kawai ke jengkeli hatu ban file nomination dan kamu banda haban net deki hajar ngut deki spa ngut ki brio ban net ban kabla penthut ya kali kawan ka pen wit ya traffic hasar shalong telah demo kapor ban restrict yang kita kinong board dan kinong senrani kita ki candidate ban net file nomination kini kita lightly ke bang buat ma jofi ka long tang kecing ajumot bat kecing dan ka wadan ha kecing perkhat janga publish board
ngakwa nakaliang ngenbo arnut ki ban jubab ngakwa kawai di nak regional party iba alentre dakar berkata kawai nakaliang kejong iba manual batwar ban jubab ikini ki jingkili kamtam habede bat katu ka filing of nomination ya ka ba pelong ya ka source long ni kinong ba apa ki district affair kum kinong ba ya khawai ka por filing nomination
ma'am filing nomination di belong mandatory belong online. That's my personal view and I think it's the public's view and I think that needs to be done. Okay, since I'm answering that question, I'll also answer other questions, especially Uncle Billy. Ni yo 3 minute banikran sipak manifesto to obviously we picked only what is most important. And of course, to many of us, I think the most important issue is these 3 things, which is education, health. So, but it's a very good point that you said, that there should be a vision statement, there should be a vision kind of a document which is supposed to be across parties. And I think any government that is being formed, and this is a request from my side to everybody in here also in the forum, Lada Mano Reform Sarkar House 2023. I think within 6 months of 2023, there should be a proper public government participation whereby all the like-minded people and everybody from all social strata should come forward and we should prepare a vision statement, a vision document rather for Meghalaya, irrespective of party lines. The backbone has to be followed. It's like the trunk of a tree. We follow that trunk. Ki branches, ki sla, ki so, kat bami, tambo trunk to them day ujo. And I think that's the only way forward. And I beg of most parties, and I think whenever the elections comes to an end, these are very important things to take care of. Yeah.
To ba alan dep kani ngin penkut no ya kani ka jing kerensan ya tai.
Kubleshi pun kong itu ki jingai jimut bat jingkeli bibo. Teng ngala thai ban yang rensan election marung ngasi sedang bet de baong ba watchim ba ke election kadai kita masa. Kani kadai ka kam kentang kamtam de pi Paidin sila jinget ukasi khara kadai ka benta ka bakhaddu bo utrai nong bo nong thau u ai u pa ban rio hang ni asla pathai ti anrei ngam kwa ban kan tho anrei nga phaidin shakalatia lejong kabam dala slam thane nadu khana slam kha khandai spa khandai pulai ter hagitu ki por ki election nim jutet ya kata ka pisa bangin yo bandeng tang tu volunteer batch nila smo nila dei way henrei kabasosi kalong kini kani ka policy tray kam haki elections ka bawan na shabar ka jila kawan ra ya kani ka bor pisa ban kani yo lakam sensyar bat kani kala ya ibteng ban ngasusi ban ye thuru ba kala besuru syakiseng tray muluk hangni po jila jungi kata de ka hop ka bangim la ban len henrei halai bor ibaret ngiyai ban persang ban batai ki kertong wat ya ki nong yalam hapo kaseng ru ban but ya kidian jat jong long shua kawi kaduksa ka mga kwa banya sam bentalang ni kalong ba hadin ba ngiyo yo kurtong banyele persya yo deputy chief minister nang thina penusla constituency ka kentin sneng kentin kraw baningkong bangaong yu kalong ba ladap himut banya khun da bor pisa kenrem no na du menta kasngi bat dei hakta kalenti uni uwei kurtong bat so uwei banapo mukayaw kidang ya hadu gini giski habiyadei bat ka filing of nominations teng ala thaj ban ya nia wat bagi kertong la jong ru ngong kam dan kam ban pen i ya kita kabor jong kinong kersan jong phi hakasni ba phi le ai ka kerteng wat andala adap ke scrutiny ru kampat don kam lada pisu don kam man pen i ba pidon kinong kersan rat ba lani taka support ke bakham khlain pila banle hakisngi khadu jong ka campaign klem da penthot ya kaya kayeng jong babun balang bat yegini ngila banle hala ijong ni konsunti haki jaka kibam kta ya kaya kayeng ti kumbala matphang ni ba manual badwan ngathrai lada baro kiseng sanyima sansima ngi la ban tho kawe ka joint petition sa election commission of India kandawan no dakarul ngathrai kanyarap sibun kuble sibun.
The mismanagement of prominent tourist hubs, along with the lack of connectivity, are badly hurting Meghalaya's tourism industry. Is this the future we want for Meghalaya? It's time to speak up about the issues plaguing Meghalaya's development. Share your suggestions with Modi ji and become a part of Meghalaya's developmental journey. Give a missed call at 836-000-6060. This 27 February, together, let's empower Meghalaya.
Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pen sawalawan kapor ka jingkela Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pen sawalawan kapor ka jingkela